Hey everyone, in today's video, we are actually talking about fall hair. I want to give you a heads up though, once we actually get into the video, you're gonna hear some clicking noises throughout the entire thing. Unfortunately, I left my camera in autofocus mode and it was autofocusing the entire time I was talking. So if you're sensitive, if you've got sensitive ears, you may want to opt out of this one. I do apologize, but I can't reshoot it now because I can't go through all of the hair options again, but I still think there's some value. So please just bear with me. I'm experimenting with a new format, as you know. So there's a learning curve, but I hope you get something out of it anyway. Let's go. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Lifestyle with Melanie Graves, where I share stylish and creative ideas to inspire you to do what makes you happy in your home. So today we are talking all about fall hair and specifically short hair. I get a lot of questions about my haircut, so I thought it would be nice to walk you through where the inspiration came from and some different ways to style it. So if you are maybe on the fence about cutting your hair, or you've been interested in rocking a short haircut, but you thought maybe you couldn't really style it in very many ways, I'm gonna share 4 different styles with you today. So let's talk first about where the inspiration came from for this haircut. So this is considered a long pixie, and the inspiration came from the fabulous Rihanna. A few years ago, she rocked a pixie, and I just thought it was the cutest haircut. Granted, Rihanna could wear a brown paper bag under her head and still be amazing, but I really loved how she just rocked this hair. It just was, the cut was full of personality and style. And so this is the second time I've had this haircut. You see it all the time in my thumbnail pictures, but it's just a fun cut. And so what this cut is it's a detached pixie, which means my stylist will detach the longest part of above the, I think it's called a partial ridge or the parietal ridge. She calls it something, but it's basically where your scalp starts to curve. So that's super long, and then super short on the sides and in the back. So I just got my hair relaxed on a Friday, and today is a Monday. And so this is a perfect day to show you how versatile this style is, because it's not quite fresh out of the salon, but you know, I've slept on it a couple days, and so I'm gonna share. So let me show you the back too. In the back, hopefully you can see that. She doesn't use clippers. She uses scissors, and I don't have her edge it up. She just follows the nape of my neck, so that it doesn't, because sometimes clippers, in my opinion, will make the back of a haircut look kind of masculine, and I don't want that. I want it to look feminine, and so that's what I asked for there. So long pixie, long on the top, it's detached, short on the sides, and a natural fade in the back. Okay, so let's get started. What I'll do is I'll share a few different ways, and I'll start from like the most casual way I style my hair, and then we'll go into a few more formal looks. So like I said, this is like just fresh out of the salon, and there are so many different things we can do here, but let's just say, you know, we're going to Target. So look, I just flipped it to the other side, and already, like, look how cute that is. Right? So it's a really flat look. The great thing about a great haircut is that, you know, you don't have to put too much effort into your everyday style. I would wear my hair like this, and I do pretty much every day. Covers my forehead, frames up my face. So let me just grab a jacket, and I'll show you the first Target look. Okay, so now I've got on just a really cute and cozy sweater, and I'm going to pop in some ear cuffs. I have 2 holes on each ear. I did that shortly after I turned 40. So I always keep the back studs in. Those pretty much never come out. and the front ones I change more often. So now I've got some puffs in. This one's giving me a little trouble, but there we go. And I'm ready to go to Target. All right, next look. Okay, next up we are going into the office. So I've put on my favorite blouse and I haven't changed my hair yet. So although I think this is perfectly suitable for the office, let's just say that you want to incorporate a more sophisticated look. So what I'm gonna do is raise this up just a little bit off of my forehead. I'm using a wide tooth comb. So I'm gonna bump this just a bit. Like, I'm not even using a flat iron, but you could if you needed to. But right now, so then you could tuck it behind your ear. So totally different, more sophisticated, right? Super cute. I'm gonna untuck it. Now I'm gonna use, a thinner comb just so I can put some detail over here. Cover a little bit of my face. Pop in some earrings. A girl and her pearls. I used to love getting dressed up to go into corporate. In fact, that's kind of how I got my nickname, the Millionaire. It's hard to put earrings on when I'm not watching you guys, so I'm gonna do this. But I'd always come in like looking like $1 million, they would say. So that's how that nickname came about. All right, so now we've got a nice set of pearls. We've got cute earrings, and we've got cute hair. So this is look number 2. Off to the office we go. Okay, I've changed again. So it's fall season and you're gonna start seeing the higher necklines. So I figured I'd show you an example maybe for date night. So I've just got on a sleeveless turtleneck, put on some new accessories. So for a sexier look, we can go back, right? So all I'm doing now is running my fingers through to try to give it a more sculpted look. Now, I don't use hairspray, but for many of you, just depending on the texture of your hair, you would probably need to spray this. But so this look would be one that I would rock on a date night with the hubby. Put on some hoops. Nothing like a great pair of hoops. But the idea is just to show you that, you know, you're not always stuck with just one look with a short haircut. All right. Yeah. Okay. So this is my bringing sexy back look. Okay, so now let's just say you want to get a little more formal. So let's look at putting some curls into this. I've got just my little flat iron. I've seen Rihanna do this too. So now I'm going to take a thinner comb so I can really. Did I take a picture of this already? I think I did. So now I'm going to just turn like some tighter curls. I won't videotape myself doing this because it's going to take a long time, but I will be right back. I just turned just some extra little curls. It's kind of dark. Can you see that? So now like this side, it's got some curl detail in it. I left my sideburns kind of flat, but if I wanted to, I could go all the way around and really spice this up or give it some volume. Look at that. Cute, right? So maybe for a wedding, or if you're going out to a really nice upscale dinner. The point is you have options, ladies. So I hope this was helpful. You know, I will say the short hair, especially for Black women, it honestly does require more maintenance because you want it to keep its shape, and we have to mold our hair, especially after workouts and after shampoos. So there's a little more that goes into it than I would say for someone who doesn't have ethnic hair. But I still have a lot of fun with these styles, and don't be afraid to try it. You know, I have grown my hair out and cut it and grown it out and cut it. The one thing I can say is that hair and nails grow back. So if you find a cut, or you get your hair cut and maybe you don't like it, try different styles with it, try different things, and get creative. So I am looking forward to seeing you again soon. Let me know if you like this kind of content. I'm happy to provide some more for you. Until next time, love and peace.